Hi, I'm Dan and welcome to Awesome English. This is lesson 2 in our series on how to write sci-fi narratives. Now in lesson 1, we reviewed the structure of a narrative. Do you remember what it is? It is orientation, build-up, problem, resolution, and ending. Now the focus for this lesson is to learn all about the micro. That's the grammar and the text features that go into a narrative text. All right, let's get started. Alright, welcome to our awesome checklist for today's lesson. It's our roadmap to success. So the first objective we want to achieve in this sci-fi series is to be able to review the structure of a narrative text. Then our next objective is to be able to use literary devices. Now, if you haven't checked out all the videos we have on literary devices, I suggest you do that now. You can use these in your narratives and they are so important in engaging the reader. The next one is to be able to use fronted adverbials and adverbs. Then, to know that the micro features also include things like join writing, because we really want to make sure our writing looks good and is clear. The next one is to be able to use a mix of sentences, simple, compound, and complex. Then, to be able to write really clear paragraphs. Now you can use our hamburger strategy to help you write great paragraphs and link them throughout your text. The next one is to be able to use direct and indirect speech to give your characters life in your story. And then the final one is to be able to use past tense verbs because narratives are set in the past. All right, let's learn more. All right, you should now have a better idea on what a science fiction narrative is or sci-fi is and its purpose. So let's check out the structure or the macro. Now, when we talk about text types, narratives, procedures, essays, they all have a certain structure. Now, for a narrative, the structure looks a bit like this. Now, we can use our awesome Story Mountain Planner to help us write a great sci-fi narrative. So, it looks a bit like this. It has the orientation, then the build-up, then the problem, then the resolution, then the ending. Now, by sticking to this clear structure, you can really build up your narrative to a really key point, a key piece of tension, and then you can resolve that problem, fix it, and then end it. So, we're going to be working through this in this series. Let's keep learning. All right, let's check out the Story Mountain in a little more detail. So the orientation, this is where you describe the characters and the setting. Then you have the build-up. So this is where you build up to the problem. We don't just go straight into an alien attacking us. We need to build up to that problem first. Then we have the problem. Now things like character versus machine or character versus monster would be perfect dilemmas that we can use in a sci-fi narrative. So we'll learn more about that as we go into the series. Then after the problem, we have the resolution. This is where the problem is solved in some way. It doesn't always have to be a happy ending, but it's fixed in some way. Maybe the alien gets away, maybe the alien's your friend, we don't know. Either way, something is fixed. And the final part is the ending. Now, in this series, we're going to share with you some awesome different styles that you can end your narrative with. All right, guys, so did you get that? It has orientation, build-up, problem, resolution, and ending. So let's do a little think, pair, share. So if you're in class, you can talk to the person next to you. If not, you can brainstorm by yourself. Can you remember the different parts of a narrative text, specifically sci-fi? What makes each part unique? Maybe you can give an example. All right, guys, start sharing. Okay, so now it's time for a little think, pair, share. If you're in class, you can talk to the person next to you. If not, you can just brainstorm yourself. Can you remember all the micro features of a narrative text? Maybe you can make it specific for a sci-fi narrative. So, spend a few minutes now, talk to the person next to you, or brainstorm yourself. What are all the micro features, those text features that go into a narrative? Start sharing. All right, I hope you're able to remember remember all of those micro features in a narrative text, and maybe you can even think of specific examples for a sci-fi narrative. So now it's over to you for some independent learning. So go and read a sci-fi book, go and watch a sci-fi movie, see if you can spot some of those micro elements. Can you spot a simile? Can you spot a metaphor? Maybe you can see some direct speech in one of the sci-fi books you're reading. Remember, practice makes progress. I'll see you next time, and remember to stay awesome.